This month, the product line that we're featuring are Insta-Plumb, okay, poly waste adapters, traps, center outlets, tubes, okay, for your tubular waste system under your sinks. We're featuring 1.5 inch products, okay, from Insta-Plumb, and the world's been taken by storm by slip and push fittings on the supply side. Insta-Plumb said, why not do this on the outlet side? So what they've come up with is kind of a gripper technology that you've seen with other fittings for tubular waste. Very simple, 1.5 inch. You take a tube, you take a trap, you push it in, it's done. I cannot take this out unless I use the handy little tool. Once I do that, just like the fittings do, I push down on it and out it comes. It's that simple. We have a number of different products available. We have J-bends, P-traps, we have center waste outlets, end outlets, we have extension tubes, we have couplings, 3-ways, 90s. You'll see all those in the video here, but it can't be any simpler. What if you have an existing tailpiece, say, coming down from the sink? No problem, it works on that too. So you don't have to have just an Insta-Plumb product, okay? It's gonna work, okay, on your poly, DWV, PVC, ABS, that type of stuff. But there it is, it comes right out. What if I got a little tubular brass, 2022 gauge, and it goes, that's it, it's in there. I can take this adapter and pull it out again. As you can see, you can connect to Schedule 40. This is 1.5 inch, whether it's just regular PVC. This is the Schedule 40, you can see the size difference. And there is a larger tool for taking them apart once you put them together. So, you can start your system using all Insta-Plumb products. You can use your existing poly. You can use some of your existing brass if that works for you. No matter what product you get, it comes with a tool. We have extra tools if you need them. And even though there's some slip joints still involved, right, on your wall bends and things like that, knowing that nothing has more than 2 connections, you're going to cut your time in half installing this. These are quality products, simple to use. Hand it off to a lesser experienced mechanic or plumber to do that kind of work, and you're all set. So they're Insta-Plumb products. They're new from us this month in July. Look at the product sheet, go online, check us out. Give this stuff a try. It's going to simplify your life.